Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to scan and remove any virus or malware on Android. Now just swipe up and find the Settings app. We're first just going to hop in the Settings app and check a couple places to be able to see if you have a virus or malware on your phone. But first, we're going to tap on Connections at the very top here. The reason we're going to do this is we're going to find airplane mode and toggle this on. In addition to that, make sure Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth are turned off. This will prevent any virus or malware that is on your phone from connecting to the internet and will help to disable it. Now let's search around to see if you have a virus or malware. The next thing we're going to do is to scroll down from here until you find the option that says midway down there, Security and Privacy. Now, when a virus or malware comes onto your Android phone, sometimes it will basically take over your phone as a device management profile. So we're going to make sure it didn't do that. So let's scroll down. You'll be able to see midway down here is More Security Settings. Just tap on that option. And now, again, we're going to scroll down. And what you're looking for is device admin apps. These are apps that are given admin access to do anything they want on your Android phone. So let's tap on that. And if you see any on here that are turned on, like Find Hub or Link to Windows, or anything that you don't recognize is activated and enabled, let's turn it off. Now, this will prevent it from being able to have full access to your Android phone, but it doesn't necessarily delete it from your phone itself. Let's go through the process of actually finding those and deleting them. One big culprit is they are just downloaded as apps onto your Android phone. However, they're a bit sneaky when they do this and when they're automatically downloaded to your phone. So within the settings, go back to the very beginning of your settings. Let's scroll down from here until you find apps right under device care. Just tap on that. Now, you'll see all of the apps on your Android phone, but as I said before, these viruses and malware can be fairly sneaky. So at the top right here, you can see that little filter icon. Let's tap on the filter. And if there is a malicious software on your phone, it's most likely running in the background all the time. So we're going to sort by, instead of name, by last used. This will show you what is currently being used or recently being used on your phone. Let's hit the OK button. And what you're going to look for is any apps that you don't recognize on this list. However, keep in mind, there might be some apps that are tricky. So if I scroll down and let's say I wanted to go to Secure Folder and scroll down again, I'm going to look to see if everything looks good on here. And for permissions, it's set to what I expect that app to have permissions for. But another big thing that you can check is if you go to an app, let's say just Instagram on this list, and I scroll down, I'm going to find where it says App Details in Store and tap on that. Now on this, it should say Instagram and about this app and have the actual information about that app. If it brings you into the App Store or the Google Play Store and it says a different app on here, that is a big culprit because a lot of times if you go back, these will be masked as cleaning your Android phone or some kind of other random app that could look legit like Google Play services, but you want to be able to go and choose App Details in Store. Let's hit try again. Oh, I'm offline because of airplane mode, so you might need to disconnect from airplane mode just to connect or try this again. But essentially, you're going to check to see if any of these are listed as different apps. Now, after you've done that, let's hop out of here and check another big place that they could exist. Let's swipe up, and from here, you can either navigate to the Files app, or you can just search on your phone Files and open it up. You'll be able to see when you open up the Files app on your Android phone, images, videos, we're first just going to go to the installation files, these APK files. Again, if there's anything on here that you don't recognize, you can tap those three dots at the top right, and then just hit select and then delete that file. You'll also want to go back out of here and check the other ones like downloads, etc. So if you don't see anything on here that you don't recognize, you can press and hold on it. It will select that file, and then you're going to hit delete and move to trash. So delete out anything that you don't recognize to make sure the virus or malware is not existing in the Files app. I hope this helps you so far. If it does, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button. It just takes a couple seconds, and it really helps me be able to make these videos for you. Thanks, guys. The next thing we're going to do is to hop out of here, and we're going to go to the Google Play Store. Now, within here, we can just tap on search, and we can just search for a virus scanner. And you'll be able to see, oh, I need to turn off airplane mode. So let me just turn that off and hit try again. After it reconnects to the Wi-Fi, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options on here. You can see some of them have 4.6 stars, 4.9 stars. You can see any of these. I can just open them up and hit install. And you'll install these to your phone, and essentially once you open them up, they usually have a free version where you can go through the process of, let's hit the little X and don't allow. It'll go through the process of scanning your Android phone to see if there are any viruses. So just go through this process, essentially scan your Android phone to see if there's a virus on there. Now, if you still suspect there's a virus, the last thing that you can do that always works is swipe up and let's tap on settings. And let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. At the very beginning of your settings, let's scroll down until we get to the option that says, there it is, General Management. Just tap on that. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom again because we're looking for reset on here. The nice thing is we can go through the process of resetting your Android phone to be able to delete out any virus on there and then just bring all our files back on. So what we're going to do is do a factory data reset. Just tap on that and it will check a few things. It'll say, all right, we're going to log you out of all of these accounts. It will delete all of these apps. And keep in mind, if you have a backup, you'll just be able to bring all of those files back to your phone through the backup. Or if you don't necessarily want to do that, you think there might be a virus in there, you can just delete everything from your phone and then just piecemeal the photos and the videos and all that stuff back to your Android phone. So just tap the reset button and do a factory data reset on your Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.